We are here for the entire week at North Myrtle Beach. A nice peaceful ocean behind me. We are excited about our trip. Are you excited about our trip, Aiden?
Yeah.
Is that all you're gonna say? There's so much excitement there. No. But we are very excited. We have a lot of fun things to do this week. We want you all to come along and just have a fun week with us. Let's go. Alright, we're going to take you on a tour of the condo. We're staying at the Marsh II, not to be confused with the Marsh I, which is right there. Alright, right now we're on the nice little balcony here. It's got access on this side to the living room directly from here at Eli. And this is the view from the balcony, and it's awesome, and it's beautiful. And there's the moon. And seagulls. So they're gonna fly close. Well, that was cool. Alright, if you come around to the side, you've got the other piece of the balcony, and it goes into the master bedroom. And Aiden, do you want to take us through the rest of the house?
Yep. This is our living room. This is some pictures of fish. This is a picture of trees. These are some pictures of shells. This is the balcony we were just on. This is our TV. This is my friend Fred.
This is our little seating area here. This is it. It's exciting. It's a table, and that's it. Yeah. More importantly, in the kitchen is this right here. My sister is convinced that this thing changes from high tide to low tide based on the barometric pressure outside, when in reality I'm changing it. I'm assuming by the time this video is live, she will have figured that out, but not necessarily. So for now, I'm going to continue to change this.
This is our kitchen. This is our fridge. It's a mess. And
this is the door that leads to the master bedroom. We are not going to go in there because that is someone else's bedroom, and they're not here. It has a king-size bed, the balcony that leads outside, and this is the main bathroom in the hallway, but it's also a connector bathroom to this bedroom back here. It is also a occupied bedroom. We'll go into the kids' bedroom. This bathroom is also not terribly exciting. You've got the single in here, and then the actual shower itself back here. It's pretty nice.
this is our room. There's a bunk bed. This is where I'm sleeping, because I'm too big to sleep up here. Let's go up here. This is the bunk. And then this is the TV. This is the bathroom. It's a shower.
What are you doing? Huh? You caught any?
No.
No. Today we're at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach. We are starting with a nice round of mini golf. Behind me is the Quickie Mart from the Simpsons, and they have the Simpsons attraction that's the same thing as the one in Universal. But we'll take you through a tour of this place today. Fun round of golf. Yep. It's your turn first. Who's first? Eli, you going first? You going? Go ahead.
Beware, and our friend despair. I say to you, oh volcano. In other words, stop it!
Well, here's one nut hole. Two tries. So close. There's some crazy catfish down here. I think they want to golf with us. I think that's the problem. Got this? You hit a rock. Nope, nope. What? How did it curve like that? Oh, so close. Eli. Oh no. You're right next to Daddy. Is that what it was? You just wanted to be with me? Yeah. Oh. Feels good in the shade. Oh, that was close. It's really hot out here. I would suggest doing this later when the sun's not right on you, just destroying you. 6. You got 6?
No, it's like
Eli states that it takes him 6 every single hole. Every hole. And from what I gather, that's a good thing. So I guess that's good. There's a lot happening on this hole. There's a dragon with like a piece of string stuck in his mouth. There's a monkey over here. No, he's just hanging off there. That doesn't seem safe. Oh, almost lost a ball. I'm not 100% sure what's going on here. There's this dragon whose head just goes up the back of this thing. And I don't know if he's here because of this creepy dude. I don't know if that's the Merlin has him here, or if he's protecting him, or if he's protecting these drinks.
Daddy,
I don't know.
50 cents for him to talk. Again, baby boy.
All right, Eli, is this going to be your hole-in-one? Are you going to do it? Come on. Oh. All right. Well, just do it from there. That works. What you missed?
Can I try again?
It should have been. Oh, that's a tree. That's a hole in tree.
Same thing.
Let's try. You got this.
You got this, baby. Oh, you did so
Right. Is this our hole in one?
Yep.
Because we don't have any and we're making our way around. All right. It was. Well, look at that. Aiden, what do you think Mommy would have to say about her hole in one?
That girls are better than boys.
Oh, did you hear that? She said that girls are better than boys. What do you think?
Nah.
No? All right. Eli, what did you just do?
I did make a hole in one.
You got a hole in one? That's awesome.
But still took him 6 times. That's what he said.
Well, 6 is a good number apparently.
5, 6, 7.
Oh, Mommy cheated. I feel like I failed to mention this course is called Dragon's Lair Fantasy Golf. It's the one we usually come to when we're here, mainly just because it's at Broadway at the beach and it's something to do other than shop. And the kids are usually happy about that. What'd you get? Did you get another hole in one? Oh yeah? Actually, that time when we enter the last hole and say goodbye to our ball. Oh. Well, that was fun and miserably hot. Here goes Eli's shot. Oh. Bye. Oh, that one's still hanging out. We're not saying bye to that one yet. Let's do it again. Oh, hi. Oh my. Oh my. This is getting ridiculous. Eli got it. You don't want to go home? Well, your last hole was 47 shots.
It's really hot.
It is.
Alright, let me get both of you. Alright, look at me.
Wonder what he wonders about. All I know is that he wonders. Alright, that's going to do it for part 1 of day 1 of our trip to Myrtle Beach. We have plenty more trip to give you, but for now we're going to stop right there for today. And with that said, we're going to get out of here.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.